your body is an
Beautiful. Look at the consistency. I love it. This is the end product of our pineapple face cream. It contains two powerful whitening additives, which is the TXHCI and alpha butane. Also, here we have the infused pineapple. Make sure you clean it before you infuse it. And this is the extracted oil from the pineapple, which I use to formulate my base. Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Mabel. It's been long. Sorry, I've been extremely busy. Trust me, I've been really busy. So I'm gonna jump quickly into today's topic. I just want to show you I make my face cream using pineapple oil. So what I did a DIY pineapple oil. Basically I use sunflower oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice, so you can use the grape seed. Advisable, I will advise you to use grape seed oil, sunflower oil. You can use oil that will not clog your pores, you know, jojoba oil, amazing oil like that. So olive oil, no, because it contains, I don't want to go into details of that, but yeah, it depends on your skin. And if you're using it for face, because this is a face cream, you can also add butter. Advisably, you can use the cucumber butter or mango butter. Is amazing for those of you that are dry skin. You can use that, and if you're dry skin, you use high percentage of it. If you're oily combination, you don't want to use too much, because that will kind of make your face too oily and it might tend to break you out. Because me, I'm a classic oily combination, will I say classic skin type. So I produce oil, really, my face really produces great amount of oil. So I tend to add when I'm making my face cream, the amount of oil I use, the percentage of oil is usually very low, while the water, that is the aqueous section of it, which is the liquid phase, I use high percentage. And if I'm adding any butter, I usually go for the mango butter or cucumber butter. Yeah, so I don't use shea butter. For those of you that don't break out when you use shea butter, yes, you can use it. But if you know you're the type that you break out, I'll advise you to not use it, or you use just a little quantity of it. In this, I've got my base cream, which is the whitening base cream. If you want to know how I formulate base cream, you can go watch my video. So if I don't leave the link in the description, try and watch it. In here I've got my alpha butane, and here also I've got my Cepic white, which I'm going to be using. And also in here I've got my bearberry and collagen, which I'm just going to show you, already dissolved. This is the bearberry, hope you guys can see, and this is my collagen powder inside. So what you're seeing in there is the dark stuff you're seeing in there is my, and there's a pinch of the miracle powder. And inside also I've got my formulated whitening booster in it. Here I've got my product, which I tell you, I've already talked about this is the Belly Aloe, which is amazing. This product, this cleanser, will I say slash toner, is amazing. It's good for fair complexion. And this is our 100 ml super whitening glowing oil. This glowing oil is amazing. You can get up to 3 shades lighter with this glowing oil. You mix it with your cream to boost your skin, your cream. So I'm also added it into it. Here I've got my hibiscus, my aba infused toner, which is amazing. And here is our jelly lightening face mask. So you go sorry about my website. I'm upgrading it, so yeah, I should be on soon. For those of you that have been placing order on my WhatsApp and also sending me DM on my IG, thank you so much. And yeah, I'm just going to start by pouring this inside. This is my half hour thing. So I'm adding the bearberry with collagen dissolve. So I've added the alpha butane. This is my dissolve xanthan gum. Always make sure you dissolve your xanthan gum with glycerin before adding into any of your products, okay? So you can tend to add it into the red, but it has to be not when the cream has solidified. If the cream solidify and you add your xanthan gum, the powder, just into your cream formulation, it might tend to make the cream look somehow. We've done the practical, so it's best for you to dissolve it, okay? Or add it when the product is still a bit warm and it hasn't solidified. So yeah, so now I'm going to add my Cepic white. You can see this is my Cepic white. Original Cepic white will dissolve. There won't be any clumps in it. So yeah, so I'm gonna blend and come back. So I've blended it. Our face cream is ready. So thank you. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. And we know pineapple contain loads and loads of anti-inflammatory property, antioxidant. It also has this bromelain that helps with skin lightening. So amazing. This is good. It will give you that fair, nice, smooth, glowing skin tone. And also, for you to get a good complexion, you need to go with your skincare routine. That will help a lot. Make sure you scrub, you use your toner, you use your face masks, you know. Don't sleep with your makeup on. Don't use dirty sponge or use dirty makeup pad on your face. Make sure you ensure you clean your makeup kits. Make sure your hygiene level is okay, so that you don't break out. For those of you that prone to acne, that way it will help you a lot. Those of you that are prone to breakouts like acne, you need to follow this routine for you to get that perfect skin. Get this microdermabrasion facial sunshine that way you can use to clear out blackhead from your face. For those of you that have already, you know what I mean, when you have acne breakout like pimples, and when it dries off, it tends to leave behind dark blackhead in the pores. So you don't want to press it out. You want something that will help take it out, suck it out. So yes, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to be telling you 3 or 5 different whitening powder you can use in your black soap. And for my training, sorry guys, I have to move it forward again. I'm deeply sorry about that. And also my giveaway will be end of this month. Deeply sorry, I'm really sorry about the giveaway, which is going to be end of this month. Okay, thank you, bye. I've got good news for those of you that have been sending me message for whitening additives. If you're a skincare formulator and you want to get your hands on original whitening additives, contact me. I'll be selling in bulk now. I'll be uploading all this information on my website. If not on my website, on another website, okay? Send me DM, or you can send me WhatsApp, okay? If you want.